2001 Mazda Tribute. When you're doing the alternator, you got to take the axle out, put it in. It's a very tough spot. They give you no room at all. So
you have to take the axle out, and then you reach in there.
And then you got to take the mount off, and then you got to jack the engine to get to this.
See this? You got the engine jacked up.
Yeah. It's older car, you know, but we got it. We got it. And we got the best mechanic on it, Aftab Khan from Pakistan.
This goes for multiple years of Mazda Tribute. If you want to change this alternator, which is in a very odd spot, you have to take the axle, put it on a lift, of course, safely. Take the axle out, and then what do we take? You said a mount?
You got to take the top mount off, jack up the engine so we can have
top motor mount.
Yeah, top motor mount.
And then you jack the engine up a little bit to tilt it, so you can squeeze it in between here. It's just a matter of bolting it on.
Yeah.
Or taking it off.
Around 450 to do that job. That's how much labor it is. 3 hours.
3 hours labor?
3 hour labor at least. After I can get the top bolt. What up? You want me to lift it up a little bit? Let me help him.
This is a 3.0
Mazda Tribute.
Yeah, the 4, would you say the
3.0.
There's a 3.0, but did you say a 4.0 is easy?
No, it's the 2.0 is easy.
2.0, they don't have a 4.0.
400.